Friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the introduction of synthesis, secretion and metabolism of thyroid hormones. The principal hormones synthesized and secreted by thyroid glands are thyroxine T4, triiodothyronine T3, RT3, reverse triiodothyronine. It is secreted in small quantity. And fourth one is calcitonin. What are the hormones that secreted and synthesized in thyroid glands? Thyroxine, triiodothyronine, reverse triiodothyronine and calcitonin. These are the four hormones that synthesized and secreted by thyroid gland. T4, T3, RT3 are secreted from thyroid follicles, and calcitonin is secreted from parafollicular cells, also called C cells of thyroid glands. What are the hormones that secreted from follicular cells of thyroid? T3, T4, RT3. Okay, and what is the hormone that secreted from parafollicular cells? That is calcitonin. Normally, T3 is more active than T4. Though T4 is secreted in more quantity from thyroid gland, T4 is converted to T3 in peripheral blood and tissues. Therefore, T4 is mainly a prohormone. RT3 is physiologically inactive. Questions: which is more active, T3 or T4? T3 is more active than T4. T3 is more active, okay? And which secretion is more? Which hormone secretion is more, T3 or T4? T4 is secreted in more quantity from thyroid gland. Where this T4 is converted to T3? I am asking about the place where T4 is converted into T3. T4 is converted into T3 in peripheral blood and tissues. Hence we call T4 as prohormone of T3. RT is physiologically inactive. Reverse triiodothyronine. The raw materials required for thyroid hormone synthesis are iodine and tyrosine. What are the raw materials that required for thyroid hormone synthesis? What are the raw materials? Raw materials are iodine and tyrosine. Therefore, iodine deficiency or excess produces thyroid dysfunctions. Before discussing thyroid hormone synthesis, it is desirable to know the basics of iodine metabolism. Which deficiency or excess causes the thyroid dysfunctions? Iodine. Okay. In next video we are going to learn about the iodine metabolism. If you need any particular topic, comment me. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.